Hey guys, tomorrow's July 4th, so I have a makeup tutorial for you, mainly an eye makeup tutorial if you will. If you keep watching, I will show you how it's done. And also I'm going to do a red lip as well. I just like the natural one more. I don't have anything on my lips, but if you guys would like to have a red lip, that is also going to be included. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. And if you guys want a foundation tutorial where I do my foundation, my bronzer, all that jazz, just let me know in the comment section down below. Just scroll all the way down and comment it. Thank you so much for watching again, and have a happy 4th of July, and be safe. And Uber, do not drink and drive. So we're going to be starting off with the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to point at the colors I'm using because I don't know the names and I don't have the box to it anymore. But I love this palette very much. Going through those two colors I pointed at, and I'm basically going through and doing my transition area. Alright, so I'm going to grab that dark burn looking red, and I'm going to put that, I'm just going to kind of tap it on the middle of my eye and blend it to the inner crease of my eye, and I'm going to blend that out really well. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Palette in Volume 2, as you see me holding that up, and I'm going through and I'm doing a blue wing, and it works pretty well, but you just kind of have to fiddle fart with it a little bit more than you would a regular, paint pot or liquid liner that you're grabbing from the pot or whatever. But I think this is a very good alternative, and you can make any color with it because it has all the primary colors, so it's really great for like FX makeup or anything else, but that's a whole nother story. So yeah, we're going through and we're doing the wings, and I like to show my wings because that's something I always like to see, so I'm going to speed them up for you though so I don't bore ya. The lip palette is not volume 2, it's volume 1. Alright, so now I'm going through with some Stilla glitter and the shade Diamond Dust, and I'm just going right over top of that blue liner, and it makes a really pretty, red, white, and blue look. Super duper cliche. Alrighty, so now I'm going in with the same colors that I went in from the top lid, and I literally just repeat the steps on the bottom lid, and I smoke it way out, probably down to my mouth. I'm just joking, but yeah, I smoke it down pretty far, and then I go in with a white liner in the shade Milk from NYX. And then I also highlight my brow bone with Moonstone by Becca Cosmetics. And that's it. That wraps up the look, you guys. So you guys don't get super bored with it. Hey guys. So if you hear the welcome to Florida, it's raining. I will show you how I did it. And also I'm gonna include